Because when you break it down, like a trader who, like myself, let's take that 3 years I talked about before I started seeing progress. Of the 3 years, how much was I actually observing and watching the markets, right? Because of all those breaks, and the first year I really didn't do too much at all. So then those subsequent 2 years, there were loads of those break periods. So then you take all that out, the actual time in the market then probably boils down to more 6, 9, 12 months period.
So it's probably less than you think.
Yeah, and I think that a lot of traders are like that. And I think a lot, even traders who've been trading for, they say they've been trading for 8 years, let's say. But the reality of that 8 years is very sketchy, very, lots of gaps in there, loads of it.
So you actually condense it into actually how much time have you actually spent trading? Like you say, maybe
when you're talking about the institute, then
I'm talking about this is intensive. So this is right from the get-go.
That's what I say. Yeah.
There's
so
no breaks.
what does that period of time look like? What are they doing?
They're working. I mean, most people have a regular sort of job, and this is the trading on top of it, which is not, especially learning the process how to generate ideas, it can be very, very time consuming. But once you've learned it and once you get comfortable with it, then you start applying it. It's not just a bad thing to have other distractions, because what you don't want as a trader